Hello and welcome to another episode of Drawing is Fun. In today's episode, I'll show you how to draw a cup of coffee. Go to File, New, don't save. Get the brush tool. We used it before, you should know this. Now, first we're going to, before drawing the content, which is the coffee, we have to draw the outside, what contains the coffee. So we're going to draw the cup, that's right. Doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, perfection is the enemy of creation. Now, this is the trick. That line I just drew, that's the trick for making it look like there's actually coffee in there. I'll show you how. That looks like that. Go to the bucket tool and get the brown. And if you click in it, now it looks like coffee. What do we have now? A cup of coffee. It wasn't that difficult, was it? Let me know in the comments. Now this will be a little bit of expert move, but I trust you can do this as well. Get to select and then on your keyboard press Ctrl and C at the same time. Now it is copied. It doesn't show yet, but it's copied, trust me. Now we do Ctrl again, but not C because C is copying. Do V. V is next to the C. So not C, but V. Press it at the same time with Ctrl, don't forget. There. Now we have a second cup of coffee and you didn't even have to draw it. Drag and drop it next to the one that we already have. Now we have a cold cup of coffee that we just drew and one where we can make a hot coffee out of. Get the brush again and make little squiggly lines. Oh, do you see what's going on? That's right. Yes, that's a cold hot cup of coffee, I mean. So now we have a cold cup of coffee and a hot cup of coffee. Oh, I'm still in the brown. Okay, so this is the cold cup of coffee. Cold coffee. And this is the hot coffee. Because of the squiggly lines, it looks really hot and it shouldn't be touched because it's still burning. You have to wait a little bit before touching it. There we go. Really, you only have to draw one cup of coffee and then you can copy it and then you have the hot cup of coffee as well. As you can see, you just draw the lines on top of it and then you have it. Cold coffee and hot coffee. I hope you understand more now about how to make things look steamy and hot as well. You can also do this with other objects and smoke and other stuff, but I will show you later because it's difficult and it will take a long time to do in this channel. I will come back to it though. You've been very good. You're doing a great job so far. This was cold coffee and hot coffee, how to draw a cup of coffee.